GoHighLevel Black Friday Deal 2025. All you need to do is simply click the top link down below to get 50% off of GoHighLevel right here. There's actually different plans and offers you can go ahead and choose. And if you prefer just to get a 30-day free trial, so if you don't even want to pay straight away, you can also click the top link down below, another link down below, where you can actually get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. So instead of a 14-day trial, you get an extended 30-day free trial. You can literally get GoHighLevel for pretty much a full month for free by using the 30-day free trial link down below, as you can see right here. So you can either get a 50% off discount right off the bat for 3 months, or if you just want to try out GoHighLevel without even paying for it, you could even get a 30-day free trial through the link down below as well. And with it, you get a 50% off discount right here on the Black Friday page right here, or through the 30-day free trial link that I have right here. You also get a bunch of free bonuses for literally sign up through my link down below. Alright, so these bonuses include how you can get traffic on Google and YouTube. Obviously, Google's the largest search engine in the world. So imagine targeting your dream customers and your ideal customers to grow your business on Google and on YouTube, which is my bread and butter, which YouTube's the second largest search engine in the world. And these bonuses right here are literally designed to give you the best possible head start and to give you an unfair advantage over everyone else. And you get these bonuses, by the way, we'll have them listed down below in the video description below this video. 100% for free, as long as you sign up through the link down below in the video description through my special affiliate link. And then once you go ahead and do that, all you need to do is just essentially, email me right here, letting me know that you basically signed up through my link. And then I'll just go ahead and check my dashboard in my affiliate area to make sure that you signed up for my link, and I'll reply back sending you all the bonuses so you can get the best possible head start with GoHighLevel. Because what I've realized is that a lot of people, when it comes to growing their online business, they have an amazing offer, they're ready to get started, but they can't actually get in front of real people, which is going to be the catalyst that grows their business. So this is what my bonuses are literally designed for. We even have a bonus right here that teaches you how to make high quality videos with little to no work, leveraging the power of AI. So literally there's no excuse to not start creating YouTube videos so you can get a bunch of free traffic and a bunch of views for your business. So like I said, guys, you can get a 50% off discount for GoHighLevel during this Black Friday deal. There's a bunch of different options you can choose right here. So whether you're a new business, you're a growing agency, or you're ready to automate your clients at scale, there's different plans where you get a 50% off discount regardless of which plan you choose from, and you get 50% off for 3 months, which is literally insane, guys. So, and of course, if you just prefer to get a trial so you can test out the GoHighLevel platform without actually investing any money or spending any money, simply click the top link down below as well through this link, and you'll be able to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. So you have a 30-day free trial option right here, or if you just want to save some money for the first 3 months, you can get a 50% off for 3 months Black Friday GoHighLevel deal right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Links will be down below to all the resources we discussed in today's GoHighLevel Black Friday video, including all the bonuses, so you can go ahead and check out the bonuses that you'll be getting. Again, I promise you these bonuses are literally tailored to give you the best possible head start with your online business, especially when it comes to generating traffic and getting in front of real eyeballs to grow your online business. So thanks for watching today's video. All the resources will be linked down below, and that's pretty much it for today's GoHighLevel Cyber Monday and GoHighLevel Black Friday Deal video.